everyone. In today's video we're going to talk about a very trendy topic at the moment. It is Luna Classic, and I want to show you a way of getting some free Luna Classic so you can invest right now and try to make money with the burn that's coming up in the next few weeks. Let's go.
Okay, so once you're in Coinbase, you will just go here to the side and you will go to learning rewards, and here you see you have a lesson. You will just start the lesson, and that's gonna help you to get $3. So you just want to respond to the questions. Which of the following services is not offered by chain? And I think this one. Okay, so get $1, go to the next lesson. I can barely not read. You don't have to read the entire lesson if you don't want to. Okay, I'm gonna take the quiz. Let's go back because I really didn't even pay attention. 10 billion. So now we can go take the quiz, and that's the one. And the last question: chain is committed to powering Web3, physical realm and of entertainment, retail, and education. Okay, major brands, Web3, facilitate growth, NFT. Okay, so you can take the quiz again. What does chain help brands, creator, and entrepreneur do? Play games to this one. Okay, so we got $3. It's done. It's here. Okay, so when you go to your assets, you can see that's where I got the $3 USD. So it's $3.95 Canadian dollar for chain. Okay, so once you have your coin right here, you will just want to trade. And what you'll do is very simple. You will go here and you'll type Stellar, so XLM. Here you go. So you can convert, and we want to convert the chain that we have. So chain is here. We convert everything to Stellar, and let's convert it right now. So now this is done. So now the next step is to send it to kucoin. So when you get to your kucoin account, you'll go to deposit at the let me show you quickly where it's located here. Deposit. You'll go to XLM. So here you're gonna have your address where you can deposit your Stellar. All right, and it's done. I just sent my tiny $3.84 to my kucoin wallet, and that's where I'm going to be able to buy some Luna coin. So I'll show you exactly what to do as well to buy Luna with the process I've been doing right now with you guys. So it's super simple. I'm just waiting to receive my Stellar, and then I'll show you how to go about it. So here you can see I received my small coin. What I received $2.91 USD, because this is in USD here. So now what you want to do with this, you want to transfer it to your trading account. So you can just put all and confirm. Then you'll go to trade, and you want to buy USDT because that's what you're going to use that's what you're going to use to buy your Luna coin. So here you're just going to buy, and you just want to put 100%. I mean, technically it is better if you can transfer more. I just wanted to show you how you can transfer free crypto that you received into this wallet to then buy USDT and buy your Luna coin. That's probably not going to be enough to trade Luna, but I'll try. I don't think it will work, but let's try. So first, we want to sell. We want to sell our Stellar coin and buy USDT. We sell everything. Oops, let's go back. So we want to sell everything, and we're not gonna get much at all. Let me tell you that. So let's go. Let's sell it. Okay, so that's it. My order is here, and I think it's done. So if I go to trade, I've got my limit order here. It's open. It hasn't been filled, so you need to wait until it's filled. It shouldn't take that long. Sometimes it can take, I mean, if there's volume, it should be filled super fast. So I'll just wait for this to be filled, and then I'll get back to it. Okay, so now you'll go to trade. So let me show you again, trade. You can type LUNC, LUNC, and USDT. You can get it with USDC as well. And here I should have $3.19, and I want to buy. So I'm just gonna buy right here, and you just buy. And I've placed my order. It's right here, and it's been filled. There you go, and that's pretty much it. Now, so now if you go to the trading account, that's been added to my balance here. As simple as that. So that's how you can get some free Luna Classic coins. You just go to Coinbase, try to earn them with the small quizzes that they give you for free. So you get some other crypto coin, and then from there you transfer. I mean, I did transfer with Stellar because the fee to transfer to another wallet is way lower. If you know another one that's super low, let me know. I know XRP is low as well, but they're not supported everywhere. But Stellar is pretty low for the fee. If you used Bitcoin or Ethereum, it would be just way higher. I mean, I don't even think it would work. So with Stellar, so XLM, it's fairly easy to do it. As you can see, we transferred just literally $3.84 Canadian dollar successfully to kucoin, and we just traded to USDT, and from there traded the USDT to Luna Classic. And that's it. You know that Luna is really, really trending right now. They're talking about having the price go to $1 within a year or two, possibly to 10 cents by the end of the year. The price is so low right now that if you want to invest in it, this is the time. It would have even been better if you could have done it earlier. But now it's still low, considering that coin was at a really high price before. So if you want to invest in Luna Classic for free, this is one way of doing it. And I didn't do it with a lot of money, as you can see. The more quizzes you take, the more crypto you get for free. and the more you can buy. You can as well use the Coinbase referral program, and they pay you $10 USD per referral. So if somebody signs up under your link, you get $10 and they get $10. So that as well you can use to buy some Luna coin if you want for free. So you have multiple ways of doing it. That's one way I've showed you now that you can literally do with no money, as you can see. I've got a video showing you how you can actually do the same thing, win some crypto with a quiz, and whatever crypto coin you get for free on Coinbase, you just transfer to Shiba Inu because the price is super low as well. And those are the coins that you want to invest in right now because the prices they're really low, and the hype is there. It's gonna go higher.
I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and give me some thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Helps the algorithm as well, and I'm a growing channel, as you can see, so any like can help me. So I'll see you in the next video next week for a new way of making money online. See you guys.